Why you're stuck and how to escape. What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and your dreams is a lie you keep telling yourself? You know the one. I'll start on Monday. I just need to feel motivated first. I'm just not disciplined enough. But here's what nobody tells you. You're not lazy. You're just using the wrong strategy. Think about it. You have all these massive dreams swirling around in your head. Write a best-selling book. Build that six-pack. Launch that business. Learn to speak Spanish fluently. But when it's time to actually do something, suddenly your couch feels like a magnet. Your phone becomes infinitely interesting, and Netflix has a new series that's totally worth watching right now. Sound familiar? Here's why your brain sabotages you. Your brain isn't trying to ruin your life, it's actually trying to protect you. See, when you think, I need to write a book, your brain hears hours of staring at a blank page, months of grueling work, overwhelming pressure to be perfect. No wonder it hits the panic button and screams, "Danger! Do something easier instead." But what if you could hack your brain's operating system? The small wins strategy, your secret weapon. Forget motivation. Forget discipline. Here's what actually works. Make it stupidly small. I'm talking embarrassingly small, so small you can't possibly fail. Want to write a book? Don't write a chapter, write one sentence. Want to get fit? Don't commit to an hour workout. Do one push-up. Want to learn guitar? Don't practice a whole song, play one chord. Here's the magic. Once you start, momentum takes over. It's like pushing a boulder down a hill. The first push is brutal, but once it starts rolling, it practically moves itself. Willpower is a lie. Do this instead. Stop relying on willpower. It's the most overrated thing in personal development. Why? Because willpower is like your phone battery. It drains throughout the day, and by 8 p.m., it's dead. So what's the solution? Build systems, not wishes. Want to exercise in the morning? Sleep in your workout clothes. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Want to eat healthier? Prep your meals on Sunday. Make the right choice, the easy choice. Remove friction. Add convenience. Let your environment do the heavy lifting. The 2-minute rule that changes everything. Here's the golden rule that's transformed millions of lives. You can do anything for 2 minutes. Seriously. Set a timer. 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of cleaning, 2 minutes of studying, 2 minutes of meditating. Why does this work? Because starting is 80% of the battle. Once you're in motion, you'll naturally want to keep going. Think of it like starting your car on a cold morning. The engine resists at first, but once it's running, smooth sailing. The truth nobody wants to hear. Every person you admire, every successful entrepreneur, every best-selling author, every Olympic athlete started exactly where you are right now, confused, overwhelmed, uncertain. The difference? They started anyway. They didn't wait for the perfect plan, the right moment, total clarity, maximum motivation. They just took one tiny imperfect step, and then another, and another. Your dreams are like a campfire. Right now, you're holding a match. Every small action you take is like adding a stick to the flames. One stick won't create a bonfire. But keep adding sticks, soon you've got an unstoppable blaze. Your action plan, no excuses. Stop overthinking. Here's exactly what to do. 1. Pick one goal, just one. 2. Make it tiny. Want to write? Write 50 words today. Want to exercise? Do 5 jumping jacks. Want to learn? Study for 5 minutes. 3. Create your trigger. When I drink my morning coffee, I write 1 sentence. When I brush my teeth, I do 10 squats. 4. Start now. Not tomorrow, not Monday, now. Here's the deal. You don't need more motivation, more time, more resources, more inspiration. You need to start. Messy, imperfect, scared, uncertain. Start anyway. Because here's the brutal truth. A year from now, you'll wish you had started today. The clock is ticking. Your future self is watching. What are you going to do? Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for perfection. Take your 2 minutes. Light that match. Build that fire. Your dreams aren't going to chase themselves. So what's it going to be? Another day of scrolling and wishing? Or the day you finally became the person you've always wanted to be? The choice is yours. The moment is now. Go.